Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at this small portulacaria afra lilliput. This is a small penjing style planting that I did a little while back. I think I made a video on that. I'll link it. It'll be in the corner at the end of the video or down below or both or something. But anyway, I created this kind of a landscape look in this shallow container, added some rocks in here to make it a little more rugged looking. But I've kind of just been letting it grow. It was a rooted cutting from a portulacaria afra lilliput tree. So I've been letting it grow, hadn't really pruned it at all, so I thought I would just give it a couple snips today, and because some of these shoots are getting way too long, especially this one here in the front. It's just kind of killing the whole look and the vibe of it, so I need to go ahead and prune him back. We'll start in here somewhere, and that'll probably start standing up a little bit more once just had so much weight on it that it was kind of causing it to droop down. I think I'll take a little bit more off. I think that'll work for now. And then just take some of these back so it'll start branching out some. Not going to be a long video today, but and not all projects, take a long time. Some of them are just, nice little short. Almost need to bend that. Might put a little piece of wire on that guy just to, because it's a little, it needs to come forward. I don't want to repot it, so I think I'm just going to bend it forward a little bit like that. Should be able to get some wire in there pretty easy, hopefully. Let's start down here. And come up here. It doesn't need a whole lot, just to just knocked one of my rocks off. Doesn't need a whole lot here. I have a hard time getting this anchored. I think I'll bring it up and anchor it on this branch. There we go. Then I can bring that down and forward a little bit. I think that'll work. Let's see where I had this rock here. I think I had it kind of in there somewhere. Yeah, I think that works. Go back a little bit more here. Take this. Probably need to come back a little bit more there. This one seems a little tall still. It's maybe a little long, so we'll take that back just a little bit. There we go. Let's let that continue to grow. We need something else here. Let's see what we got. How about we put this little guy over here. Add to that kind of windswept look there. Add a little soil to the top of that. Cover the base up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I think that added something. Makes it look like that little Japanese warrior standing there on a rocky hill under a tree. So anyway, but yeah, that's gonna just about do it on this little project. But short little project today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.